As a wedding planner, you make a ton of decisions every single day. And one of the hardest decisions is what tools you should use to grow your business. In this video, I wanted to share with you my favorite business tools for wedding planners. If you're new around here, hey, I'm Candice Coppola. I'm your business BFF. I'm a former wedding planner and designer turned business coach for wedding pros and wedding planners. In 2019, I sold my business after 12 years so that I could just be here on YouTube, living my best life, helping you grow your wedding planning business. And so I know a thing or two about business tools, tools that will help your business to grow, tools you don't need, and where you should invest your time and money when it comes to building your wedding planning business. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through very quickly some of my favorite business tools for wedding planners, everything from a CRM, a client retention management software, all the way to marketing and everything in between. And I've linked to all these tools down in the description box below. Some of the links are actually discounts, so you even get a little break on these tools if you decide to use them or trial them. So make sure you click the links in the description box below. But I wanna help you grow your business, and so I was like, let's do a video on the tools that will help you to grow your business, which tools I think are the best for wedding planners. Now, none of the tools I'm mentioning in today's video are actually for wedding planning per se. They're more so tools that you need to have when you're starting your business or growing your business as a wedding planner. They're business-focused tools. So let's start off with my first favorite tool. It's a shameless plug, the Planner's Playbook, which is my community for wedding planners. I think this is an amazing tool to help you grow and scale your business. The Planner's Playbook teaches you how to design, plan, and coordinate weddings like a pro. We also have amazing guest experts. I host office hours and answer all your juicy questions. And we do workshops. We have a community. So from a business building perspective, this is the tool that's gonna help you connect with other planners and problem solve and troubleshoot while also sharpening your planning skills. I'd love for you to join us inside the Planner's Playbook. I put a link where you can learn more. If the doors are open, great, come and join. If they're closed, make sure that you get on the wait list and we'll send you an invitation to join us as soon as the doors are open. My next favorite tool for wedding planners to grow their business is HoneyBook. HoneyBook, I've been using HoneyBook forever and ever, I think over 10 years at this point. HoneyBook is an online software that allows you to send out proposals, to collect payments, to invoice, to send contracts, to send questionnaires, and even to communicate with your clients via email using their system. HoneyBook is like one of those backbone business tools that like I would build a business so I could use HoneyBook. Does that make sense? Like if my business ever took me away from HoneyBook, like I wouldn't want that business. I would want a business where I would still be able to use HoneyBook in it. It's that good. I love the community around the platform. They're champions of independence and small businesses. And this is what you're gonna wanna use so that you can book clients, you can send out proposals, send out your pricing, so that you can manage your leads as well. They have a great pipeline feature where you can see where your leads are at different stages of the sale. It's gonna help you then manage your clients, manage their payments, their reminders, collect payments for you, so you can deposit money in your account. We love that. It does so much and it's continuing to grow as a platform. It's rolling out new features all the time, which I hope to share with you in a separate video. All this to say, you can save 50% off your first year at HoneyBook by using the link in the description box below or putting the code PURPOSE in at checkout. It's one of my favorite tools and one that I think every wedding planner needs. Whether you're just getting started, it's a great tool to move to if you're using something else and you don't particularly love it. The next tool that I love for wedding planners to grow their business is Asana. Asana is a project management software that allows you to manage all the tasks in your day-to-day life and in your business. Think of it as like the ultimate task list. You can collaborate in Asana with other people. So if your business is at the stage now where maybe you have associates or assistants or even a VA, they can collaborate with you on the platform. I use Asana to produce this video and to literally do everything in my business. It's the heart and the heartbeat of my business. Nothing gets done unless it's put in Asana. Now, as a wedding planner, you can use this to plan your weddings, and I've actually built a whole planning portal in Asana for planners. You can feel free to email me about that if you'd like to learn more. But you can use it to build and grow your business. So whether that's coming up with your marketing plan, a daily or weekly to-do list, you can use it for client tasks, you can use it for a recurring or repeating tasks, you can use it for business tasks. There's so much that you can do with Asana. It's honestly, I would be lost without it. Literally, like I would be lost. This video certainly wouldn't get uploaded because I use it to map out my ideas and then I record, and then my editor, Janelle, she comes in, she does her magic. We would not be able to do it without Asana. All that to say, you can actually use the free trial of Asana, or just the free version of it, if you're just getting started before you maybe begin to onboard clients and want to get into like workflows and automations and other fun things that it can do that are kind of next level. The free version of the software is actually really robust and works really well just to get started. So that also means that it's pretty budget friendly for anybody who is on a budget right now in your business. I've linked to Asana below. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount code for you. They sunsetted that a while ago. Sad face. I love being able to give 10% off, but they don't like doing it, I guess. I don't know. But it's worth it full price, and you can, of course, use the free version. If you feel like you have so many things to do and you never know what you should be focused on, Asana can help you focus for sure. The next tool that I love for wedding planners is all of the amazing tools in my shop, the Candice Coppola shop. Shameless plug number 2. I've created a lot of tools and resources for wedding planners specifically, and they're all available in my shop. I have tools and resources and playbooks on everything from how to onboard your clients, how to price your services, how to create your planning packages, to a client dashboard in Google Sheets, swipe files, email templates, you name it. We've got it over there, and I would love for you to go and check it out. Because you're watching this video, I'm gonna give you a little extra special discount. Normally we offer 20% off the shop, but I'm gonna offer you 30% off any item or your entire order in the shop because you watched this video. So use the code YouTube30 to receive 30% off your entire shop purchase, and I'll put all those bits and bobs below. I'll also put below some of my favorite playbooks to get you started, so you can kind of see like, oh, I should check this one out, or this is what Candice recommends. The next business tool that I love for wedding planners is Google Business Suite. When I was a wedding planner, I used Google Business Suite to plan weddings with my clients using docs and sheets and stuff like that. But from a business perspective, it makes sense to use the Gmail suite and to use all of the Google business tools like spreadsheets, like docs, like Google Drive. It comes with the email address, so you might as well use it. It's great for file storage, it's great for file sharing, it's great for document sharing as well, because documents can be uploaded and edited in real time with multiple people, and that just makes life so much easier. I also love Google Voice. I use Google Voice too. It's great to have a separate business phone, and it's relatively inexpensive. So if you don't want to have your cell phone be your business phone, you can use something like Google Voice. I use Google Domains. Like, I'm all in on the Google sister. I'm all in on it. Love it. Next up, Showit is one of my favorite business tools for wedding planners. This is a website builder for creative entrepreneurs. It's what I built my website on. So if you go to CandiceCoppola.com, that's a Showit website. If you think, wow, this website is awesome, you could have a website as awesome as that using Showit. Showit is one of the best website builders. It gives you full creativity to build your website in any way that you want. And there are some amazing templates that you can purchase and download to really make your website stand out amongst the pack. I love, love, love Showit. It also integrates with WordPress, which is what you would use to blog. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I'm very big on blogging. It's one of the best things you can do for your business, and WordPress is, I think, the best way to blog. So they integrate together, which is wonderful. I've linked to Showit below. I think there's a little bit of a learning curve with it. It's not the easiest, but it actually is easy once you know what you're doing. If you've ever designed anything in Canva, if you've ever opened up Canva and you've used it to create graphics, it's very much like that. So if you feel like, hey, Canva's pretty easy for me, then Showit's gonna be easy for you too. The next business tool that I love for wedding planners are stock photo sites. And the 3 that I love the most are Houtstock, Styled Stock, and Sourced Co. I love stock photography websites because they really help you to fill in the blanks with images that maybe you don't have in your portfolio or you don't have access to for whatever reason. You're able to use those images on your website, on your blog, on your social media. It honestly, having stock images just makes sense as a business. You should be able to use images to sell a product, to sell your services, to evoke an emotion, or to get some kind of response, or to tell a story. And stock images allow you to do that. I love these 3 sites. I've linked to all 3 below. There are some discount codes to some of them, so make sure you use that to save. But I love using stock images, and I think every wedding planner needs to have at least one stock image subscription, and that you should be using stock images in your marketing in addition to your own work. The next business tool I love for planners is NG. NG is a relatively new software. It was created by my friend Taylor, who also is the founder of Sourced Co. Taylor's been in the wedding industry a long time, and she's sort of this marketing genius in the wedding industry. She created a software that helps wedding pros and creatives create a marketing plan for their business. And this is like, honestly, it takes out the overwhelm when it comes to marketing. It tells you exactly what you should be doing, and it helps you map out a powerful marketing strategy that's actually built on strategy. I love it. I think it's easy to use. I think that it helps people to actually get their business marketed, to actually post on Instagram or to write a blog post. And they've just recently introduced AI into their software. So in NG, you can have a blog post written in maybe, I don't know, 15 seconds. You can have your Instagram captions just written for you in 5 seconds. It's amazing. Love it. I think every wedding planner should use it, because marketing and being the chief marketing officer of your business is like one of the most important hats that you'll wear. If you don't market your business consistently, and if you don't market it with strategy, you don't have a business, sadly. The next business tool that I love for wedding planners is Legally Set. I love all the contracts and the agreements that Candice, who's my actual business attorney, she offers over in her legal template shop. Long gone are the days where we can, do things nice in a handshake. You want everything in writing, and you want to know that an attorney has vetted and can vouch for the legal agreement that you're sending to another party. And Candice is the best. And I love the templates in her shop. They're top notch, and I think every wedding planner should be purchasing their templates from Legally Set. There is also a 20% off coupon code off your order down below. So now you just got to save some money because you watched this video. The next business tool that I love for wedding planners is Flowdesk. If email marketing is something that you want to do for your planning business, I think Flowdesk does it best. It's also super affordable at $19 a month, so that makes it really affordable. Flowdesk allows you to create a whole email marketing strategy for your wedding planning business, where you can basically put your marketing where email is concerned on autopilot, and you can book clients using Flowdesk by sending them emails, helping them to buy your services. Let me know if I should maybe even record a video on how to use Flowdesk, or like how email marketing can benefit a wedding planning business, because there are some ways to do it, and then there are some ways like not to do it. And of course, I don't want you wasting your time on the not to do it ways. Let me know if I should record a video in the comment section below. And then finally, my final favorite business tool for wedding planners to grow their business is QuickBooks. Listen to me and listen to me carefully. You need to make sure that you are signed up for an accounting software so that you can understand where your money is coming from, what your expenses are, and you can manage your business the right way. Do you need this the first year of business? Probably not. But once you start booking clients, you need something like QuickBooks to help you manage all the funds that are coming into your account and all the funds that are leaving your account. QuickBooks helps you to just really get a bird's eye view of your the financial health and wellness of your business. And then it allows you to zoom in and start to analyze and understand data behind the numbers. It also organizes all your finances for you. You can file your taxes right on QuickBooks. You can do payroll right on QuickBooks. So there's lots of things that you can do if you need to. But from a bookkeeping standpoint, it is the gold standard. And there are other softwares out there, but they do not compare to QuickBooks. And trust me, I've asked. I literally went to my accountant and I was like, just curious. Is there anything else we could use? They're like, nope, this is it. Imagine having that kind of like market share, where people are like, yeah, there's other things on the market, but it just doesn't compare. It's pretty incredible. QuickBooks is something that you definitely are gonna need as your business starts to take on business. And listen, you want to make sure that you are understanding your finances from the beginning. You don't wanna be 4 years into your business and have everything be a mess. You don't. I've seen it, and I've partially lived it myself. Keep an eye on your money, have good bookkeeping skills. It will help you be a better business owner, and QuickBooks is basically the way to do it. So those are some of my favorite business tools for wedding planners. I've got all the links to everything down below and coupon codes so you can go and save some coin. I'd love to know, what tools do you love to build your wedding planning business? Leave them in the comments section below. And I'll be back with a video very soon about business tools I love for wedding planners for wedding planning. So business tools that help you to plan your events, like planning softwares and room diagram softwares and design software. We're not there yet, but I'm putting that together. And if you're subscribed, you'll know when that video goes live. All right, friend, I've linked another video here that I think that you should check out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.